which way is the wind today? On this episode, we're doing easy and delicious stovetop chicken casserole. Get your pan, crack grease to her, line the bottom with mini potatoes, 4 chicken breasts, salt and pepper. In your least stained bowl, 1 cup of sour cream. Get out. Bleh. Cream of chicken. And 1 package of onion soup mix. Give her the spins. And spread it over your chicken and potatoes. Perfect. Next, combine 1 package of stovetop with 1 cup of chicken broth. Microwave for 2 minutes. Give her a fluff. Add it to the pan. Top her off with some butter. Put it in the oven on 375 for 1 hour. See you in a bit. Can't do it. Can't even look at you. You're too beautiful. Fresh parsley to impress the missus. Pairs perfectly with a Diet Pepsi. Get it in ya. Yes, boy. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.